How to unmute someone's location on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to enable location updates from your friends on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your Android device. Next, make sure your account is logged in and you're on the main screen. Following that, swipe right or tap on the chat icon to open your messages. Now, scroll through your chat list to find the friend whose location is muted. Moving forward, long press on that friend's chat to bring up additional options. Afterwards, a pop-up menu will appear with various settings and actions. In addition to that, tap on Location Settings from the menu options. Once you're on the Location Settings page, you'll see different location sharing options. Subsequently, look for the toggle that says Mute Location or Hide Location Updates. Moreover, you'll notice this option is currently enabled, showing the location is muted. Afterwards, tap on the toggle to disable it and unmute their location. Then, the setting will turn off, indicating you can now see their location updates. Within this section, their location will now appear on your Snap Map. Alternatively, you can also access location settings directly from the Snap Map. Once you've unmuted their location, you'll receive updates when they share their location. Then, you can view their location anytime by opening the Snap Map feature. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you unmute someone's location on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.